This is the Colorcraft wire in 22 gauge, and I'm going to show you how to utilize the MultiPliers for speedy wire wrapping. What this plier allows you to do is to move from one function to the next function without putting down and picking up an additional pair of pliers. Go ahead and put some of your beads onto the wire so that you've got something to work from. So we've got some beads on the line. Alright, so now the way I make the loops is I hold the MultiPlier in my hand just like this, and don't be afraid, you don't want to hold it way out here, you want to hold it here, so the only movement you're really doing is with your last 3 fingers on your right hand. Whatever depth you go in here is going to determine the diameter of the loop that you put in it. So I like to stay up near the top because the beads are fairly small, and so let's just go ahead and go right up here to the top. So I make a quarter turn, wrap this back around, loop it around, then I pull this off and move directly to the curved chain nose portion where I can grasp it, tips are out of my way, and I'm going to make 2 wraps. That would be 1, and that would be 2. Okay? Then I can pick up my flush cutters, come under here and snip that, all without putting these pliers down. So now I'm going to pull this up and then place the round nose right here to where I can make my right turn, bring this around, just like so, adjust it, come down to here. I kind of got a little bit out of round so I can close it down just a smidge, and then take my 1, 2 wraps there, and then come up and cut. Alright, so that's my first link. My second link needs to come. I think I'm going to cut this off of the spool. Just put a little loop in the end so that I don't have to pull that spool around with me. So I kind of put a torque in the wire here. Alright, so the next one I'm going to do the same thing I did before. Bend this out, bring this around, remove that, get it there. I'm going to just snap this in just like that. Grasp here, wrap 1 and 2, snip right in here. Make sure you're snipping the only the one that you want to snip, and bring this down, and we do the whole thing over again, making that curve. This down, and it's right here, up, and snip. So that's the repetitive move that you need to make for doing the wire wrapping. Now once you get your beads to the place where you want, then you can kind of adjust your beads so that you've got them facing the direction that you want. They're going to move around just because of the way wire working is, but let's do that one more time. And just the distance from the end depends on you. If you have a harder time with less wire, give yourself a little more wire. I can do it with pretty small amounts of wire. Just slide this on. You gotta snap that across, and then see with the curved chain nose, you can get a nice big piece and not have that end in your way. So just do the wrap. Here, snip that off. Bring the bead down. And that should increase your speed of doing this type of wire wrapping by about 35%.